Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Frigidaire portable air conditioner has started making loud or unusual noises, it can quickly become annoying and concerning, especially if it was running quietly before. You might hear rattling, buzzing, or even a vibrating sound that seems out of place. The important thing to understand is that these noises are usually caused by loose parts, airflow restrictions, or placement issues rather than a serious internal failure. Since portable AC units have moving components and airflow systems working together, even a small imbalance can create noticeable sound. So, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to reduce and fix loud noise coming from your Frigidaire portable air conditioner. Try these. 1. First, turn off the unit and unplug it from the power source. 2. Place the air conditioner on a flat and stable surface. 3. Tighten any loose screws or panels on the unit. 4. Clean the air filter to remove dust buildup. 5. Check the exhaust hose and ensure it is properly secured. 6. Turn the unit back on and confirm the noise is reduced.